ICC Test Bowlers rankings every year from 2000 to 2024. Year 2000, Shaun Pollock. 2001, Shaun Pollock. 2002, Glenn McGrath. 2003, Glenn McGrath. 2004, Muralitharan. 2005, Glenn McGrath. 2006, Glenn McGrath. 2007, Muralitharan. 2008, Muralitharan. 2009, Muralitharan. 2010, Dale Steyn. 2011, Dale Steyn. 2012, Dale Steyn. 2013, Dale Steyn. 2014, Dale Steyn. 2015, Dale Steyn. 2016, Stuart Broad. 2017, Ravindra Jadeja. 2018, James Anderson. 2019, Pat Cummins. 2020, Pat Cummins. 2021, Pat Cummins. 2022, Pat Cummins. 2023, Ravichandran Ashwin. 2024, Ravichandran Ashwin. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel World Info for more interesting videos related cricket or more.